here going over the HQ. Just a little look to see what's wrong with it before we start tearing it completely down. Realistically, full front and rear suspension rebuild. Got the engine running, actually runs quite well for a 202. Got that running the other night.
Good. Fucking good. That wasn't there when we first started it. Ah.
Look at that. Got your usual HQ foam cover rust issues.
Yeah, so today we're going to start on the dash, pulling it out. Craig's going to start on the repair panels. Probably going to start on the quarter first. Let's see how we go.
Someone's done a dodgy rust repair here before. Put a section in here and welded all down here in the wheel arch, so it's a bastard to get it off. And the inner's all destroyed here. We have to build an inner section before we put the outer on. This is the old bit there.
Yeah, that's the old bit of the inner guard. Craig's cut out a nice shape. We'll weld it in there. We'll do the inside and then we'll do the outside.
Basically, we've just made our inner patch here. They don't sell anything like this, so we have to make it.
So Toby's just pulled the dash out, and this is the speaker that goes in the centre under the dash. It's still basically brand new. I'm just amazed that it looks that good after that long.
Material on
It's
top is never like that.
47 years old. Show you how good the car was kept. It's younger than Jimmy. Okay, so we pulled off the guards and the inner guard on the passenger side. Doesn't look too bad. Bottom corner, a little bit of the inside. So that rust repair panel will fit in there nicely. Okay, so far we've got the boot, the bonnet, both guards. We're starting to get the cowl off, drilling through all the spot welds, factory felt spot welds. In the rust repair sections, we started on the lower rear quarter.
That's the intersection.
Intersection of the lower rear quarter. Travis is over here drilling all the spot welds out. Yeah. Toby always looks busy. Even when he's laying down, he's looking busy.
Drilling out the spot welds all along here. You can see they're undrilled. That's where we drilled some of them off to replace all this rusted area in here, and areas like this. Same on the other side.
The thing is, the rust on this cowl panel is so bad that we can't see where any of the spot welds are. Over here's okay.
And there's an enormous amount of spot welds.
There's so many of them, but as you can see, when you get to about here, you can't see where they are, so it's proving very difficult to get off.
Oh, would you believe it? Hell yes. Like, really? This is the number of spot welds.
Yeah, there was plenty of spot welds in it.
These are the ones that were rusted and we couldn't see. And that's only half the panel.
That wasn't going anywhere.
Got a bit of a clean up in this corner.
We've got a bit of a clean up over in this corner as well. So what I'll get Craig to do is we cut it down, make this whole panel again. We'll give it a clean across the top. So the inner guard, inner repair panel is done. Craig's done. He's put the outer one on. He's cut it nice and neat. Now he just put some tacks on it.
The HQ is up on the stand that I've been making over the last day or so. Pretty much, this is your basis stand here to here. Mostly made of just scrap metal, so you know anyone could make it with some tubes of steel, some roller caster wheels. You know, it's made up to here, and then from here is where you just adapt to whatever you are going to mount on it, so it can easily be reused over and over and over again. So not hard. it's not precise, it's really rough, but holds the car up. We can wheel it round. We can all do our own separate thing on the car without getting in each other's way. So I think it's going to do really well.
And it works.
As you can see, the whole front subframe's out of the car now. And we're ready to keep going on the body and get this thing sorted out.
Well, let's get into it.
There she is, on the stand. We've stripped down most of the stuff we need off it. The front end's out, the rear end's out. If you're liking this content, like and subscribe. There's a V here somewhere. And thanks for supporting the channel. We really appreciate it. It really helps us get to where we want to go. And we'll have some more content coming out on this and the VX Commodore and the black one tonner in future episodes of Revamp.